Hi y'all, I'm back. Sorry about this underneath. It's my baby's little like foam mat, and it's actually really comfortable. And for some reason, I cannot craft anywhere except the floor. I don't like tables. I don't like chairs. I've tried them all. It doesn't. I just always end up back on the floor. So it's most comfortable for me. I don't know. Is that weird? Does anybody else do that? I've never seen anybody else do that except for when my friends or family come to craft with me because I'm on the floor, so they get on the floor. But anyway, okay. So today, or in this video, I'm going to show you a new variation on the just standard military braid. Okay, so I am just doing a short military braid just for the purposes of this video. But this is 5/8 inch ribbon, and I just double-sided it. So, but the way I double-sided it is I have one side black with the shiny showing, the other side red with the shiny showing. Same thing over here, black and red. So I have black on top, red on bottom. Okay, so I already kind of started it, but so we're just gonna go. Oops. All right, so let me see which way I want to go. Okay, so actually I just flipped it over. So now the red is on top and the black, oops, is on bottom. All right, I mean, it doesn't really matter, I guess, but just so that I can show you a little bit more easily. So I'm just gonna, and this is the hardest part of the military braid for me, is just trying to keep it somewhat loose, but not like overly loose. So sometimes my military braids don't actually, sometimes they'll have like a slight curve to them, and I'm still trying to figure out how to get that right. And I've been doing these forever. So I don't know. But anyway, if I don't think about it, then it usually goes better. But if I'm trying to make it even, then I usually end up like with a weird curve, which ends up straightening out overall, but it just drives me nuts in the moment. So the reason I'm doing this, the reason that I didn't just take like the black strand and fold it over and the red strand and fold it over and do on each side is because for this, I want to do my red in the middle and the black on the outsides. So that's why. Again, I try not to think about it too much, or else I'll start like, oh, I think that loop is a little looser, that one's tighter, and then I'll try to be tightening them down. And anyway, doesn't ever, starts to get that too tight and squared in the middle, if y'all know what I'm talking about. And every now and then I just kind of do like that to make sure that it's not like too stiff to like be able to be straightened out in the middle. Okay, I'm almost to where I'm going to just stop on this one so that I can show you all the part that's the variation. Okay, see, look, it's still, well, no, I straightened it out, I guess. But anyway, so I think the way I'm going to end this one is just like that. I think so. No. I think I'm just gonna, oops, keep it normal. I mean, usually the bottom is, the very end of it is covered up anyway, but I guess this is how I'll end it. After I try to get it a little straighter. Okay. That'll do, I guess. Let me staple it. Okay, so there's the military braid. Now, here's the variation. Okay, so now I have this 3/8 inch glitter ribbon, and I did it in black because I almost want it to look like part of the braid. Well, like, I don't know. But anyway, I'm sure it can be done in other colors, and it would probably look really, really pretty too. But, okay. So I'm just taking it, and I'm slipping it through this top part of the braid. So, like, right here on the top and going down. Oh, that's my baby that you're hearing. And I'm going to go ahead and just use a clamp on this just in case. I don't know. I don't like to use staples until I'm for sure to commit. So, okay. So that's our first little woven loop. Oh, I'm sorry. I took it out of screen. Here. Here. Almost just like adding little lace, like lacing it, I guess. I don't know. And I'm sure it would work whether you did it from top to bottom or bottom to top, but I'm just doing it top to bottom this time, and we'll see how it goes. So what I want to do is almost make it look like it's got like an added, I don't know, something there. So that's why I'm doing it like this. Like an added dimension or an added like section of the braid. But in reality, it's just, you know, the little lacing of the glitter ribbon here. And again, I used 5/8 inch here. Or I think they call it 5/8 anyway. And then 3/8 here. And I'm trying to keep these equal in size. You know what I mean? Like the size of the loops between each one, or as we lace them, the size of each one of the little things there. And then when we get to the end, there we go. And probably, you know, probably we could either just use a staple like that on the back, or it'd probably be better if I heated up my glue gun and just put a dot of glue on the inside right here. Yes, honey. Tell me. She's just rolling around here next to me. That's pretty much her main trick, is rolling. She's trying really hard to crawl. She's not quite making it yet. Okay, so see that? Now we're going to take the other strip that I cut, the same size. I'm going to have to think about here. Go ahead and just do the same thing that I did. And start lacing it the same way. Yes, Miss Julie. Yes, girl. Oh my goodness. Okay. To me, it makes it look like a little bit more complex of a braid, even though it wasn't. But, you in as I go. I'm just trying to make the loops somewhat equal in size. And I'm not really like giving much slack. I'm just kind of doing it as it goes. Just kind of as it naturally goes. But it's easy to adjust these. So I'm sure when it's a full size military braid, you know, you'd probably, if you get off up here or something, you might have to take a minute to go down. But it really doesn't take much time at all or effort. And I really like it in the same black because, like I said, it almost, when you're glancing at it, think about it laying in there, it's going to look like almost like a different braid, or like just not really a different braid, but like a variation of some sort. You'd be like, oh, what was done there? So, oh, you okay, girl? She just rolled on her stomach and burped. All right. Oh. Mm-hmm. All right, I'm going to try to, like I said, put just like a dot of hot glue on that side. Bless you, honey. Bless you. She's just having a hard time over there. Sneezing and burping and... Oh, I'm sorry. Trying to get it at the same angle so that it has the same loop look, but you know, okay. And then I'm going to do the same right here. It's okay. It's okay. You got it, sweetie. Okay. I'm going to go back through, make sure all those look fairly even. I think so. Well, what do y'all think? Let me go ahead and just dot this with the glue since I've already got that out. And then I'm going to show you again. All right. So, what do y'all think? All right, well, thanks for watching, and if this helped y'all and you enjoyed the videos, please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. All right, see you next video.